Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 5th, 2026, and we're diving into Liquidia's fourth quarter and full year 2025 financial results. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Liquidia has been making waves in the biopharmaceutical sector, especially with their recent launch of YUTREPIA. I'm excited to discuss their latest financial performance and strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue figures. Liquidia reported a net revenue of $92 million for the fourth quarter and $158.3 million for the full year 2025. John, what are your thoughts on these numbers?
These are impressive figures, especially considering that YUTREPIA was only launched in June 2025. The fourth quarter alone brought in $90.1 million in product sales, which is a testament to the strong market adoption of YUTREPIA. Additionally, the company achieved a net income of $14.6 million in Q4, marking their second consecutive quarter of profitability.
That's quite a turnaround. How does the adjusted EBITDA of $27.3 million for Q4 reflect on their operational efficiency?
The adjusted EBITDA indicates that Liquidia is not only generating revenue, but also managing its expenses effectively. This level of profitability so soon after a product launch is a positive sign for their operational strategy.
Strategic initiatives and product performance. YUTREPIA seems to be a key driver for Liquidia. Can you elaborate on its performance and strategic importance?
Absolutely. YUTREPIA generated $148.3 million in sales for 2025, with over 3,600 unique prescriptions and more than 2,900 patients treated. The strong prescription-to-start conversion rate of 85% highlights its acceptance in the market. Liquidia has also expanded its prescriber base to 860, which is crucial for sustained growth.
What strategic moves is Liquidia making to capitalize on this momentum?
Liquidia plans to deepen prescriber adoption, grow their sales force, and expand YUTREPIA's clinical evidence through new studies. They are also advancing L606 into pivotal trials, all funded from operations, which shows their commitment to innovation and market leadership.
Financial health and future outlook. Let's talk about Liquidia's financial health. They ended 2025 with $190.7 million in cash. How does this position them for future growth?
This strong cash position provides Liquidia with the financial flexibility to invest in their strategic initiatives without the immediate need for external financing. It supports their plans to expand their sales force and fund clinical trials for L66.
However, they reported a net loss of $68.9 million for the year. What factors contributed to this?
The net loss was primarily due to increased selling, general, and administrative expenses, which rose by 93% to $157.2 million. This was driven by higher personnel costs, stock-based compensation, and legal fees related to ongoing litigation. Despite the loss, the investments are aimed at supporting the commercialization of YUTREPIA and future growth.
CEO's vision and closing remarks. Dr. Roger Jeffs, Liquidia's CEO, has shared some insights on their strategic direction. What can you tell us about his vision for the company?
Dr. Jeffs is focused on building on their current success by deepening prescriber adoption and expanding their clinical evidence base. He emphasizes the importance of financial strength to support these initiatives, aiming to establish YUTREPIA and L606 as standards in treating serious cardiopulmonary diseases.
As we wrap up, what are your final thoughts on Liquidia's performance and future prospects?
Liquidia has demonstrated strong market entry with YUTREPIA and is well-positioned for future growth. Their strategic focus on innovation and financial discipline bodes well for their long-term success. Investors should keep an eye on their progress in expanding their product pipeline and market reach.